Hey guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel, guys. So guys, one question is there: if you are updating any content, any particular URLs, or updating any option, first of all, the updating will be Search Console very important. So first of all, after .com, sitemap.xml, after find out this file, we can immediate update by the Google Search Console option. This is a very important key point. If we go to sitemap, what are the content you will be have? Just remove the sitemap option. Why I'm remove this option will be called, we can updating for this sitemap file purpose. If you not remove, can add by the update same file, nothing will be work out. That is called, I can remove the file, updating the new file option. That is called XML sitemap will be updated. So this will be any content will be changed, any URL will be adding. Immediately we can submit by the way Google Search Console option. That mean by to requesting for search engine by option name is called Google Search Console option. This is a very key point to what are the content update on your website and URL. The search engine can understand purpose. XML sitemap will be very important. As a free of cost, you can submit by the 500 links for the particular XML sitemap. Any further question about XML sitemap, you can contact my channel. Every video will be there. You can watch the video. Any questions, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be help. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.